The new Hercules brushless against the newer Milwaukee Gen 4 fuel. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Speed 2, we're going to be running it on drilling mode. Does have a handle, so does have a light. Does have the quick stop. So still pressing that trigger. The quick stop, auto stop technology. It does have a 5 amp hour battery. Full. We're going to be running, obviously we're going to be running this on drilling mode all the time. Same thing with this one. We're going to be running this on speed 2. Drilling mode. And it does not have the auto stop technology. It does have a light. 5 amp hour battery. Has 5 bars. Both of them do have handles. This one does have a nice rubber handle. This one's a plastic with metal. This one's metal too, the bar. Very similar the way they grab the tool. This one grabs it through here. So we're going to start with the Hercules and then we're going to move on to the Milwaukee. Alright guys, for the first test, we got an 11/16 spade bit. Alright, speed 2, drilling mode. Hold right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Milwaukee. Alright, for the next one down, we got a 1/2 inch drill bit. I'm going to be making a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got something a little harder. There's a 1 inch auger bit from Spider. We're going to start with the Hercules. Alright, speed 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, I'm not going to do it. Speed 2. Let's do it again. Speed 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, this thing gets stuck. What? So we came back with 2 fresh batteries from the charger. So 2 fresh batteries for these 2 tools. It's not fair if we just change one. Alright, for the next test, we do have a couple of 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. These things are massive. That's a 4x4, so it's going to go through 2 of these. We're going to be pre-drilling holes on this piece of wood so it doesn't split. Alright, so we got a fresh piece of lumber, brand new. So one right here, about halfway. Another hole right here, about halfway. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we got 3/4 inch impact rated socket. We got the 4.5 by 1/2 inch lag. Thing's massive, it's huge. You're not supposed to be doing this with these. This is for a larger impact wrench, a high torque impact wrench. That's what you're supposed to be using on this, but we're going to be using drills. We're going to be using speed 1 on both. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. What? Alright, let's give it one more try. It wasn't able to do it. Nope. So that was the Hercules. Maybe we need to get those bigger batteries. This just came loose. What? Alright, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, we did it backwards. Alright, guys, I did fail the separation. It did go make it through further. It made it further than the Hercules. You guys did see right there. But you guys know that I did feel a separation on the tool right here. This in the middle. I don't know, I felt like it separated. Because I don't know if that's a flaw. Let's do it again. Why not? Let's try to make this. Oh man, is this a torque monster or what? Did you split this up? This thing is a beast. My God. Alright, so let's take this off. Adapter here. Hopefully we don't break this one. Let's try and take this off again. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my God, this thing's... Alright, let's try and take this off. Take this off. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's try and put this one in one more time, see if we can. I think we don't have any more questions. I think you guys did see what happened. You guys know that this thing's a torque monster. This guy's a beast. I did expect a little bit more oomph from this one. Maybe we need to do this test with some bigger batteries on this one. Maybe this is demanding way too much. However, this one, Gen 4, I did not feel the same as the Gen 3. I think the Gen 3 is a little bit more solid. This one had so much torque. I felt it split through the middle here. Felt it split in my fingers, separating the two plastics to the two. And this thing's a torque monster. But yeah, guys, there's no questions on who won this test or who won, as in power. This thing's just a beast. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know down in the comment section what you guys think about this test. Would you want to see any of these two against other tools? Don't forget to hop at this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.